In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a download queued issue in Steam Desktop. If your Steam download is stuck in the queue and just refuses to start, don't worry. This is a common problem, and in many cases it can be fixed with a few simple adjustments inside Steam. We'll go through the most effective fix first, then cover a few other easy things to try if the issue continues. Start by clearing your download cache. Open the Steam Desktop app, click Steam in the top left corner, choose Settings, and then go to Downloads. Here, select Clear Download Cache. This removes temporary download data that can sometimes become corrupted or cause Steam to behave incorrectly. After you do this, Steam will restart and you'll need to sign in again, so just keep that in mind before continuing. If your download is still queued after that, stay in the download settings and look for the download region option. Try switching it to a different nearby city. Sometimes the server your Steam client is connected to may be overloaded or having temporary connection issues, and changing regions can help route your download through a more stable server. Once you change it, restart Steam and check whether the download begins. If you want, you can always switch it back later. Another quick thing to try is forcing the game download to the top of the list. Go to your Steam library, right-click the game that's stuck, select Manage Downloads, and then click the up arrow button. This tells Steam to prioritize that download, and in some cases, that's enough to get it moving again. You can also run Steam as an administrator. Close the app completely, then right-click your Steam shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. This gives Steam elevated permissions, which can help if your system is blocking part of the download process. Lastly, if you're using antivirus software or a VPN, temporarily disable it just long enough to test. These tools can sometimes interfere with Steam's connection. Then reopen Steam and see if the download starts normally. If one fix doesn't work, just move on to the next until your